What's up, guys? Dave and John here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. This is a Denago Rover, and it's the new OEM lighting system we just received, and we installed some here on the canopy. It's pretty easy to install. It's got 3M adhesive on the back side of them to give you a good look. Okay, here's the one of the shorter sections that'll go underneath, but it's got a 3M VHB adhesive on the back side, and you just pull the red backing off. And for the roof area, as you see, it basically starts at the OEM connector. On the 25 models, this is standard, this connector here, and then the wiring just goes up, and you just start it fastening it with the adhesive all the way around the rim under the canopy, and just work your way around it. I mean, it wasn't too bad with one person, but with two people it might be easier. And you just keep running around the rim all the way across. Make sure that yours is clean underneath here. If yours is a fairly new cart, it shouldn't be a problem, but you definitely don't want any oily or greasy residue or dirt underneath here. And just keep running it. Make sure you press firmly on it, press firmly on it to make sure it's on there, and do it when it's warmer also. Don't do this in colder temperature because it may not hold as well at first. So I would definitely pull it in your garage or wait till the climate warms up, and just stick it on there firmly. Just push on it. You may have to go around it a few times, but definitely only do this when it's around 60 degrees and up. And then once you're finished, you'll go to your screen. If you're here, you'll go to your app screen, go to LED and LED car body, and turn it on. Ceiling switch is what it's called. And they will light up instantly, and then you can use the remote that comes with it. Make sure you pull out the little battery shield, little clear plastic saran wrap that covers the battery. Pull that out, then you can start tinkering with it, all kinds of different colors and modes and whatnot, just by the push of a button. And but this is on automatic mode right now, and it just sort of circles around. It looks pretty cool. I like it. We haven't done the bottom side yet, so that'll be next. And it comes with two sets. You get a set of pigtails like this. This will connect to the power switch or power connector underneath. We haven't gone for it yet, so we don't know exactly where it is, but it'll be probably under the seat or under the rear, under the bottom of the cart. You got one for the right side, one for the left side, as far as this. So you get these shorter sections for the bottom section of the lights. Looks pretty cool. And so see your Denago dealer on where to purchase these lights, because these are factory supplied by Denago. I'm sure you could do all kinds of other, dollar store options and whatnot, but I doubt those would stick very well or last very well, because these are very heavy duty LED strips. You can take a look up there. See, it's pretty heavy duty up there. It's definitely not the cheapo like you get at Walmart. So check out our channel. We got other stuff related to golf carts and Denagos, club cars, stars, all kinds of stuff on our channel. And we are in Woodstock, Georgia. If you come to Highway 92 off of 575, we are about 1 mile east of Main Street in Woodstock, and we have plenty of brand new Denagos, stars, and club cars in stock. You'll see our social media links in the description. Y'all come see us.